Compile. The verb compile in the English language means to gather, collect, or assemble information or data from various sources and organize it in a systematic manner. It involves bringing together different pieces of information to create a comprehensive whole. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of compile. 1. Research paper. When writing a research paper, you need to compile information from various sources such as books, scholarly articles, and online databases. You gather all the relevant data and organize it into a cohesive document. 2. Annual report. Companies compile their annual reports by collecting financial data, sales figures, and other relevant information. This data is then organized and presented in a structured format for shareholders and stakeholders. 3. Recipe book. If you want to create your own recipe book, you would compile recipes from different sources such as cookbooks, online blogs, and family recipes. You gather these recipes and organize them into categories like appetizers, main courses, and desserts. 4. Dictionary. Lexicographers compile dictionaries by collecting words, their definitions, and their usage examples from various sources. This information is then organized alphabetically to create a comprehensive reference tool. 5. Playlist. When creating a playlist, you compile a collection of songs from different artists and genres. You gather these songs and organize them in a specific order to create a desired mood or theme. In all these examples, the process of compiling involves gathering information from different sources and organizing it in a structured and coherent manner. The end result is a comprehensive compilation that serves a specific purpose.